With the other hand if you have to. Hold the pumpkin with this hand.
What are you girls doing?
Cutting.
Cutting what?
Pumpkins.
Your pumpkins. What are you going to make?
Apple pie?
You're going to make apple pie?
Yes.
Or are you going to make a jack-o'-lantern?
Jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah? What picture are you going to do? Of a face?
I see the face.
A silly face?
I'm going to have a cat face.
You're going to have a cat face?
Pretty like cat. Me silly cat. I want a silly cat.
Did you pick out these pumpkins?
Yeah.
When did you do that? Yesterday?
Yeah. And Elmer wanted to put in an hour on the ghost.
Oh.
Yeah, we got the wrong ones.
You got the wrong ones?
Yeah. I want this pumpkin one.
You wanted the pumpkin one?
And I wanted the pumpkin too. But I had the ghost. Yeah. Look at that. Look at pumpkin.
Yeah.
So that's my pumpkin. And I use it.
What are you going to do after you finish cutting it?
And then with the knife.
And then you pull out what?
Seeds.
All the seeds. And then what do you do with the seeds?
Dig them out.
You cook them and eat them?
Don't get rid of the bottom.